Welcome to myBooks product demo tutorial. In this video, you are going to learn how to customize your role and access on myBooks accounting software. Go to User Settings, then select Customize User Role. Click on Add User Role. Enter the user role and role description. Click on Save. Now select the role and give the access to the user as you want. Then click on Save. Let's learn about user access. Click on User Management. Click on Add User, then enter username, email, their role from drop-down. Then, click on Save. Here you can edit the user. That's it, you customized your roles and permission in myBooks.